So in this Apple Notes app tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to underline text on the Apple Notes application. So once you have Apple Notes opened up on your device, I'm just going to type in as an example, this is underlined text. As you can tell, nothing's underlined. So if you wanted to underline the word text right here, double tap text. In the middle, press on the A and the lowercase a, the capital A, lowercase a, just like that. Then where it says format, just go down to where there's that U with the underline below it. Press on that, and all of a sudden press on done. The word text is now underlined. So very simple, super straightforward. That is how to underline text here on the Apple Notes application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.